Hello, Stickasaurus here, and today we're starting another fan series helmet. This is a continuation series we've been working on. This is Ancient Age Yellow. Awesome helmet, maybe my favorite one so far we've worked on from the series. Real looking forward to it. Love the ears, big fan of them. The visor shape's striking and interesting. Might be a pain to do, so we'll see. But I hope you've been enjoying these Ancient Age helmets. Hopefully we're getting closer to the series being out. I know I'm really looking forward to it. And I've seen some of the sneak peeks and stuff, so we're in for something real sweet's coming. So I can't wait till they finally get it done. But until then, let's get going on yellow here. We're gonna hit it with some 80, 200, 320, get some filler primer on it, and then we'll probably move on to spot putty. Gotta fix a little bit of under extrusion right here on this layer, but not a big deal. It's barely noticeable. But let's get to it. One more coat of primer, and I think we might be about able to wet sand. So we'll see how this goes. A lot of details on this one, so I'm just trying to make sure we get them all sanded out nicely. So that's why it's been taking a little bit. I think this is like a third coat of putty, so a little extra. So I tried to decide order to do this. I think it's a lose-lose either way. We do the metallics, we're gonna mask that. We can pull them up, do the yellow. All I have is gloss. Might get, lines. I don't know, we'll see. We're just gonna do the yellow, I think. Some nice sun yellow. And hopefully it works. Gonna need probably like 5 coats of this. It takes forever. Okay, you can't quite tell from the video, but trying to fix up some runs on it. We got paint wrinkled, so wet sand it down. I'm gonna prime it again, resand it, use different paint on it, so hopefully everything goes well. Probably not, probably gonna run into issues, but that's why we're repriming. So this thing wrinkled. I wasn't happy with the yellow after we got the runs on it, so we sanded it down, put gold on it, we masked that off. I've been putting this on forever. It took me like an hour to mask that. It's nothing crazy, it's just tedious. So we're finally gonna get some yellow on it. I'm gonna use some yellow enamel. I've been using on everything, sunburst yellow. It looks really nice, I really like it. So hopefully everything comes out well. Then after that, we just go detail line and paint the eyes red. To be 100% honest, I'm not super happy with this helmet. I honestly wet sanded it down, repainted it, wet sanded it down, honestly 4 times. Just the yellow enamel and the gold enamel just are not, they pull up each other, it's a nightmare. I got it okay, we did some touch-ups. The person that's for was just like, don't worry about it, but I tried my best to fix what we needed to. We're just gonna clear it, visor elastic, and then we'll get to the spin around. It might not be the best, but I think it's still gonna look decent.
finally, another Ancient Age helmet done. This beautiful yellow helmet. I had the privilege of meeting the creators at GoGo Ranger Station. I hope everyone checked out their booth. It was beautiful. They had 2 of the helmets I made for them there. Some awesome posters and everything. So good. I cannot wait to see the trailer and get even more excited for this series. I've seen some behind the scenes stuff, and there's so much good stuff coming. Please go check them out over on Instagram or their YouTube. I will put the links both down in the description as usual, so make sure you check them out. Not as happy with this helmet. I tried. I didn't even show all of it, but I've sanded this thing off 4, maybe 5 times. At some point, you gotta move on. Maybe in the future we'll remake this, try to do it better. I love the design of this. I love the eyes. There's so much gold. These are very intricate helmets. A lot of detail work in them. It's also kind of why I've been dragging my feet with them. I have green ready to mask, but the scorpion on green, which you'll see, it's beautiful, but it's going to take a minute. But we have, I promise you, the rest of the team coming. They are all in the works. Green has paint on it. Pink is about ready to get painted. I lost black. It's somewhere. We'll find it. Don't worry. But I promise you we have the rest of the team coming, so look forward to that. I'm excited. Get excited. Hopefully the trailer is out soon for them. I will definitely make some posts on social media as soon as it is. But I hope you enjoy this. I hope you check out Ancient Age. If you have any questions about them or where to find them, just put it in a comment. I'll try to help you out the best I can. But they definitely deserve all the support you can give them. So thanks for watching. As always, follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Stickasaurus, Facebook, Stickasaurus Cuts with the Props, Twitch, Stickasaurus Rex. We stream every Saturday, Sunday morning, twice a day, and in the afternoon. Check out the merch store. Got some awesome Stickasaurus shirts in there. If you're interested, check out the Discord. Come hang out, be friends, and also check out the Patreon $1 tier. You get exclusive videos as well as a discount to the merch store. You get to vote on helmets, designs, and themes we do for the community builds and all that. So make sure you check that out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.